This orange brioche grits is delicious, soft, and very easy to make. Enjoy this recipe. Pour 225 grams or about 4 large eggs in the bowl of a stand mixer. Add 100 grams or a quarter of a cup plus 3 tablespoons of milk, 50 grams or half a cup of sugar, and 100 grams or a third of a cup of sourdough starter at 50% hydration. To make this starter, mix 25 grams or 1 3/4 tablespoons of water with 25 grams or 1 tablespoon of sourdough starter and 50 grams or a third of a cup of flour. Cover with a lid and let it ferment for about 8 hours or until it doubles in size. Mix at low speed with the hook attachment until the sourdough starter dissolves in the mix. Add 500 grams or 3 cups plus 2 tablespoons of bread flour and mix until the dough pulls off the walls of the bowl. Add 220 grams of butter at room temperature, cut in small pieces. Add the butter gradually and then add 7.5 grams or 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt. Stop the mixer and add the zest of 2 oranges. Knead the dough for about 30 minutes or until you have a dough that is soft and elastic like this one, and it pulls off the walls of the bowl. Take the dough out of the bowl and make a ball with your hands. Place the dough in a greased plastic bowl and let it ferment in the fridge overnight. The next day, take the dough out of the fridge and divide it in 3 equal pieces. Use a kitchen scale to get equal sized pieces. Roll the dough on the counter until you get 3 log-shaped pieces of dough of about 16 inches or 40 centimeters. Sprinkle some flour on top of the dough and place it in the fridge for another 10 minutes. Make a simple braid with the 3 pieces of dough. Be gentle as you shape the braid, but work fast to keep the dough cold during this shaping process. Make a wreath with the dough and place it in a prepared baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Place a biscuit cutter or a ring in the center of the wreath and cover with a plastic lid or a plastic wrap. Let the dough proof at around 72 degrees Fahrenheit or 22 degrees Celsius for about 4 hours or until the dough doubles in size. Remove the biscuit cutter from the middle of the wreath and brush with an egg yolk and a little of heavy cream or milk. Place in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, prepare a syrup. Place in a hot saucepan the juice of 2 oranges and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix with a silicone spatula and let the syrup reduce for about 2 minutes at low heat. As soon as you take the wreath from the oven, brush it with the orange syrup, which will add an extra delicious orange flavor and a beautiful shine. Let the bread cool off for about 30 minutes before slicing. This bread is so soft and delicious. I am sure that it will become one of your favorites. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this recipe and enjoy more of my recipes on my website or here on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe if you haven't done it yet. I have a new video every week.